How to trim and cut video in CapCut. So if you want to trim and cut videos in your CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut. Once you have your CapCut right here, like for example, if I want to trim the last part, then what I would do is just simply click on the video, select the last part, drag it to the left, and it has been trimmed. You can also go with the left side and then drag it, and the part will be trimmed. Or the second step is you can go with the start and the stop centers. Like for example, if you want to trim in the middle of this video, like from here to here, then you need to go with the start point and go with split, which is right here, and go with the end point, and again go with split, and now it has been split, right? Select the part that you don't like, and then go with delete, and it has been trimmed. Or the other way is like for example, if you don't want to split the video and if you want to delete the left side from here, from this to this, if you want to delete this left side, you can just simply move your cursor there and then go with delete left, which will delete the left part. Or if you want to delete the right part from here, from where the cursor is, you need to go with delete right, and it will delete the right part. In this way, you'll be able to trim and cut videos in CapCut on your PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.